Nowadays, traveling in Bangkok is very convenient with transportation system linked by roads, rails and boat. Today, a day in Bangkok will take you to travel by public transportation such as BTS SkyTrain to travel along the SkyTrain line where each specific area has its own distinctive feature. We will go shopping at Pratu Nam Morning Market first, then stop by to take beautiful photos of a chic location in graffiti style in Ratchathani area. Sip some good coffee at Cafe Center of Ari, as well as finding great restaurants in Sapan Kwai area. Each area we are going to visit is unique and different. Let us go shopping, tasting delicious food and taking beautiful photos. Hello everyone, today we are going to satisfy the needs of a shopaholic by beginning our trip at Pratu Nam Morning Market. Many of you might not have heard that Pratu Nam has Pratu Nam Morning Market, which is where you can get good quality clothes at wholesale prices. The market is open daily from 5 to 10 in the morning. And this is where we're gonna shop to our heart's content in a lovely morning Bangkok atmosphere. Let's go! If anyone ever thought walking around Pratu Nam in a normal time looks complicated since the shops are scattered in the alleys and they do not know where to start, you do not have to worry at all, since here you will find wholesale clothing stores gathered for shopping in front of Bayok Tower 2 and its surrounding area. There are also beautiful casual clothes such as chic fashion work clothes, jeans, evening gowns for various events, Korean style pajamas, as well as accessories such as sunglasses, bags, fashion hats of various styles. It is considered to meet the needs of the people who want to come and shop for beautiful outfits. So you just have to come to Pratu Nam Morning Market and you will not be disappointed. So this is what I got from my shopping spree. But I have to tell you something, that if you want to come and shop at this market, it's a wholesale market. So it's best to come in big groups or come with your friends. Then you can buy things in bulk, which will be much cheaper. So after we're done shopping, we are going to the next destination. From Pratu Nam area, we walked only for 450 meters. We will reach Ratchaprasong intersection, cross the footbridge and continue walking for 250 meters to reach Shitlom BTS station. The tourist attraction we will continue to see is a great place to take photos of beautiful graffiti in Ratchathani district, and it is only 2 stations away. If you are coming to take cool photos in Ratchathani area, take the second exit of Ratchathani BTS station and continue walking past Hua Chang Bridge to reach your destination. The beautiful graffiti that lines the walls along Sanset Canal is the work of both Thai and foreign artists who have created beautiful works of art for us to enjoy. The pictures we have seen all have their own uniqueness and are considered valuable street art galleries. For anyone who wants to find a place to take beautiful photos or want to enjoy cool art, you can come and visit here. In addition, this area is also close to Chalermla Park, a park in the city center with many beautiful graffiti for us to take photos. However, due to the COVID-19 pandemic situation, it is closed for the moment. Now this is just great. Now I have lots of cool photos to post on my social media. After this, we're gonna go to get some refreshing drinks at great cafes in Ari area, which is a very chic and modern area in Bangkok. It is time to find great cafes in Ari area, which is considered to be the place where the largest collections of cafes in Bangkok. There are more than 30 cafes, each with its own unique decoration to attract tourists to taste the delicious coffee and enjoy the atmosphere inside their cafes. พอได้มาเดินในย่านอารีนะคะเห็นเลยว่าที่นี่เนี่ยมีร้านกาแฟมีคาเฟ่อยู่เยอะมากๆเลยจนเลือกไม่ถูกเลยล่ะค่ะคุณผู้ชมแต่สุดท้ายนะคะเราเลือกร้านนี้ค่ะตกแต่งได้สวยงามน่ารักมากๆนะคะตามคอนเซปต์ของ Sunset and Sky หรือว่าตะวันที่กำลังตกดินแล้วก็ท้องฟ้านั่นเองที่สำคัญเลยนะคะที่นี่จะมีมุมถ่ายรูปอยู่เยอะมากๆเลยค่ะไม่ว่าจะเป็นมุมดอกไม้สวยๆมุมจิกๆมุมเก๋ๆนะคะจนทำให้ตอนนี้นะคะร้านกาแฟหรือว่าคาเฟ่เนี่ยกลายเป็นอีกหนึ่งแหล่งท่องเที่ยวยอดนิยมของคนกรุงเลยล่ะค่ะเดี๋ยวตอนนี้เรามาสั่งเครื่องดื่มทานให้ชื่นใจกันดีกว่าค่ะ After enjoying a refreshing drink, I walked back to Ari BTS station to continue our search for great restaurants in Sapan Kwai area. Sapan Kwai area is considered to be another area that has gathered many sweet and savory restaurants, such as the original chicken rice of Sapan Kwai, stewed pork leg on rice, Yentafo noodles, a la carte dishes, papaya salad. As for sweets, there are bubble tea shops, shaved ice, and delicious toast. Moreover, there are also seasonal fruits like durian as well. So, it is very hard for me to decide which restaurant to choose because each restaurant looks so nice to go into. Before going home today, I would like to stop by and have some delicious food here. As I said before, Sapan Kwai is a famous food destination with so many great restaurants. This one is famous for Thai, Isan and Japanese food. They take the cuisine, both Japanese and Thai Isan, and make a fusion food that is much more delicious than ever. So let's try and have some great food, see what they have in the menu. I'm sure many of you must have known by now that there are many tourist attractions along the BTS SkyTrain, which are all waiting for you to come and experience. So during the weekends, why not come out and enjoy doing some shopping, taste the good food, and take some great photographs. But for now, I have to go now. There are so many delicious food waiting for me. สวัสดีค่ะ Join us and stand a chance to win special prize. Just head to our Facebook page and answer this question. The question of the day is, which area has the largest collections of cafes in Bangkok? Pratunam area, Ari area. Submit your answer to our Facebook, Bangkok Tourism Division. You can also follow us on Facebook, A Day in Bangkok, and YouTube, Bangkok Tourism Division.